Writing documentation in Confluence is straightforward and involves creating well-structured, clear, and useful content. Here's a step-by-step guide. Create a new page, log into Confluence, and navigate to the space where you want to add documentation. Click the Create button at the top of the page to start a new page. Choose a template. Confluence offers templates for various types of documentation, such as project plans, meeting notes, and technical documentation. Select a template if it fits your needs, or start with a blank page. Write the content. Enter a descriptive title for your page. Use the rich text editor to write your content. Structure your document with headings, subheadings, and bullet points for clarity. Include relevant sections such as introduction, objectives, instructions, and conclusion. Add multimedia. Enhance your documentation by inserting images, diagrams, and tables. Click the plus icon or use the toolbar to upload and embed files or media. Use macros. Utilize Confluence macros to add functionality. For example, use the Table of Contents macro to generate an automated index or the Jira Issues macro to include issue tracking information. Review and edit. Proofread your documentation for accuracy and completeness. Use Confluence's preview feature to see how it will look once published. Publish. Once you're satisfied with your document, click Publish to make it available to your team. Update regularly. Keep your documentation up to date by revisiting and revising it as needed.